Welcome to this lesson on line of best fit. Line of best fit is a line that represents the data on a scatter plot. So for example, which function would be the best fit for this scatter plot? So I'm going to draw a line here. First of all, it's positive. It's going to have a positive slope, so A and D are out. And then think about what you know about y equals mx plus b. Remember, this is my slope and this is my y-intercept. Now, these are pretty close together, but I would say the y-intercept is closer to -2, so this one would be the line of best fit. Now, the data is not going to fit perfectly on that line. That's why it's called the line of best fit. It's the best fit for that data. Linear regression is a method for finding the line of best fit. And you can do that in your graphing calculator using these steps below. Okay, so let's go ahead and try an example. So students recorded the amount of hours they studied per week and their GPA. Use a graphing calculator to determine the line of best fit for the data. So go ahead, pause the video now, grab your graphing calculator, type in this data, and find the line of best fit. Okay, so you should have gotten y equals -0.2x plus 22. Estimate a student's GPA who studies 2.5 hours per week. So I'm going to substitute in 2.5. And I get about, let's see, I'm going to erase this, 2.7 as the GPA. All right, if data is given in years, change the first year to 0 and count it from there. So the estimated population of a small town is shown from 2010 to 2018. Calculate the line of best fit. So don't put 2010 to 2018 in your graphing calculator. Start at 0 and then count up from there, and that's what you're going to enter. So pause the video now and enter that. All right, so you should have gotten y equals 3.1x plus 35.6. Okay, so let's try another one. The table shows the average annual income of an American from 1970 to 2000. So we're not going to enter this. We're going to start at 0. Now be careful, these are counting by 5. So I'm not going to go 0, 1, 2. I'm going to go 0, 5, 10, and up from there. So that's what you're going to enter. All right, pause the video now and enter this and find the line of best fit. All right, so you should have gotten 1.4x plus 2.7. What type of correlation do you see? So the graphing calculator does give you the R, but you should know it's positive because it has a positive slope. The slope corresponds with that correlation coefficient. And the correlation coefficient your graphing calculator should have given you is 0.9. All right, you can stop the video now and complete your practice.